Welcome everyone to my art room. My name's Carol Penhale and this is Carol's art room. So today's video is going to be a bloom because I love blooms. I'm going to do it on a 6x6 tile and I'm going to use some purples, some pretty purples. Let's get started and we'll see how it goes. Welcome everybody. I'm getting ready to do my bloom. Just putting down some house paint. This is my white velvet. I think it's velvet or it's satin. I think I threw the can out, but I think it's satin white. Gotta get a new can. I'm almost out. It's amazing how fast you go through this. I probably will spin it, so. All right, I'm going to show you my colors that I'm using today. So I'm using Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Liquitex Basics Blue Violet, some Color Shift Blue Violet is mixed together with that. Venetian Gold and Blue Violet by Permanent Blue Violet. It's a small tube, but I have another bigger one. Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Those are the colors I'm using. And I'm going to use a Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Oh, I forgot. One of these is a pigment. It's a Reflex Violet, which is this one. So I wanted to do it in an order. So I'm going to start with gold. And then I'm going to use some yellow. I have a lot of air bubbles. And then I'm going to use Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Reflex Violet. Here's the consistency. Runs smoothly off the stick, and then it leaves a small mound and disappears. And this is the blue violet. These little containers tip over, so I gotta take my spoon out, close it up. Okay. Payne's gray with a little bit of black mixed in. Whoops, that's probably too much. Now I think I will use my small dryer. Actually, it was a brush that I took the end off. And I got my little funnel. So I put my little funnel on the end just to give it more aim. Set it to cool. Make sure it's plugged in. Okay, why isn't it going? Oh, not plugged in. Okay, Carol, that would help if you plugged it in. Ow. That's different. Lots of cells there. It's pretty. I should hold it up for you so you can see. So I have to let this come back in the middle. There's a few cells that have a different color inside. Some gold ones and yellow. Thought maybe I'd get some more in the middle, but not yet. So I'm going to try and sort all my tiles out, and I'm going to start to resin them. I got to get organized. So I'm trying to get some videos ahead so I have time to get my tiles ready and start to resin them. I haven't done any yet, so can't wait to try. I don't know if anybody has used the art resin. I'm going to try it first, but I'm not sure if it's heat resistant or not. If anybody knows, maybe you could give me a comment below. And I also bought another one that is heat resistant just in case. So I'm going to try them both. So that'll be interesting. Should make my tiles look really nice and pop. Maybe I can give some away as a Christmas gift. So I better get moving. It's not that long away. How's that middle coming? Oh, it's coming along. Settling in the middle. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? See if it moves. If the middle is still stuck, then just wait another minute or two, but looks a little stuck still. This shower cap that I bought for this one is a little too big, so it's restricting underneath. There, look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I got it all the way. Oh, a little bit here still and a little bit over there. Look at all those cells that came off. I don't like losing my cells, but it's moving a bit more. Just have to get it to come this way a little bit. It's not moving very much, so I might have to just add some paint to that. Oh, it's coming now. There. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? There. I'm leaving it now. The gold and yellow blended nicely. Okay. I'm going to hold it up for you. Oh, almost lost it. That's a pretty one. Purples and gold. Sure about the yellow. I'm not sure about how it reacted in there. Anyways, have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications and like, comment below. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Here we go. Hi, everyone. Here's my dry tile. Purple and golds and yellow. Very pretty. I like how it came out. Look at all those little unique cells. It's very different. But the colors are pretty. Dried really good. There you go. Have a good day, everyone, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.